Don't be afraid, Dongo.
Remember what I showed you last time, Mom? Shit. Keep your arms on it.
Beck's way too much.
Huh?
Guy was not even using his body.
Double hand squirt. Keep them spread.
That's what he said.
Definitely. She did too.
Dude.
But I think I saw a hit right there.
That was a definite. That should have been a definite hit right there. Dude, why does it look so far away in the camera?
I don't know.
It's not perspective at all.
You could zoom it in.
Not while it's recording.
Oh, yeah. Oh, shit.
Nice dodge.
Almost got him right in the face.
Come on, Dongo.
Squirt.